Hello, in this video I will show you how you can reset your OnePlus Nord 5 without using screen lock. So if you forgot your password to your phone, you can perform factory reset by using recovery mode. So to do it, just turn off your phone by holding power button and volume up button together, swipe down to power off and wait to power off. So now press and hold power button and volume down button together and wait for starting, and just simply hold it together for a couple of seconds, power button and volume down button. And now you are in the recovery mode. I have this Chinese language, but here we can select English. So go to it and go to format data. Now you have to enter this verification code. And now you are able to format your data by clicking format over here. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.